colors names in English. Let's start. Red color, red color, red color. Green color, green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color, blue color. Pink color, pink color, pink color. White color, white color, white color. Orange color, orange color, orange color. Purple color, purple color, purple color. Teal color, teal color, teal color. Brown color, brown color, brown color. Black color, black color, black color. Gray color, gray color, gray color. Cream color, cream color, cream color. Lavender color, lavender color, lavender color. Maroon color, maroon color, maroon color.